Arsenal's first 15 million euro bid for Albert Sambi Lukonga gets rejected by Anderlecht, and transfer updates regarding Manuel Locatelli, Ben White, and so much more on today's weekly Arsenal transfer show. Hey Arsenal fans, welcome back to Let's Talk Arsenal. I'm your host Dushyant. You can find me on Twitter at Watchanu. Links given in the description box below. Check that out. I'm back with another episode of my weekly Arsenal transfer show, where I cover all the latest Arsenal transfer news and keep you guys up to date with all the players that have been linked with the Arsenal over the past week or so. So, if you guys are enjoying this weekly show, please let me know in the comments down below. Give me any feedback, be it positive or negative. If you guys are new around here, make sure to drop a like and hit that subscribe button. Anyways, let's get started with Arsenal transfer news with Arsenal possible outs first up. Joe Willock, who's been linked again with Newcastle United. Suddenly, Newcastle United are thinking that they can get Joe Willock from Arsenal this summer on a permanent move. Arsenal are open to the idea of selling Joe Willock, but only for the right price of around 25 to 30 million euros. So let's see what happens with Joe Willock to Newcastle United. Next up is Eddie Nketiah. According to Fabrizio Romano, Eddie Nketiah is open to moving to another club in the upcoming summer window. Plenty of clubs are interested in signing Eddie Nketiah in the summer, with the likes of Crystal Palace, Watford, and especially Bundesliga clubs such as Bayern Leverkusen. So let's see what happens with Nketiah in the going summer. Moving on to the possible incomes at Arsenal next summer, we start with Manuel Locatelli. The Sassuolo midfielder has been linked with a move away from his club in the summer transfer window. Arsenal are said to be interested in Manuel Locatelli according to the Italian media. Although there haven't been any concrete news or reports from the British media, the Italian media are reporting that Arsenal are interested in signing Locatelli with the fees, or the region, or the bid is supposed to be in the region of 40 million euros or so. So let's see what happens with Arsenal and Locatelli rumors going forward in the summer. Interestingly, his teammate at Sassuolo and Italy, Dominic Berardi, has also been linked with a move to Arsenal in the upcoming summer transfer window. And to be honest, I don't see this move happening, Berardi to Arsenal, because we already have the likes of Bukayo Saka and Nicolas Pepe at Arsenal in those positions. According to The Athletic, Arsenal are seriously interested in signing Brighton defender Ben White in the upcoming summer transfer window. According to reports, Arsenal see Ben White as someone who can play in multiple positions in the defense, such as right centre back, left centre back, or even in the defensive midfield area. This is one of the preferences for Mikel Arteta going forward, as he wants players who can play multiple positions in multiple areas. And Ben White is someone who can play in multiple positions. It's still quite young, homegrown, English, has a very high potential. But Brighton value Ben White at close to 40 to 50 million euros. So let's see what happens going forward with Arsenal and Ben White transfer rumor or transfer interest. But we as Arsenal fans should keep an eye out for Ben White in the summer window, as this is the story that has legs to it. And going forward, the final story of today's transfer show is on Sambi Lukonga, the 21-year-old Belgium international who plays for Anderlecht. Is very highly rated in Belgium, and Arsenal have supposedly made a bid of 50 million plus bonuses, and that has been rejected by Anderlecht. Anderlecht is looking to close the deal at close to 20 million euros, and with many other clubs such as Dortmund and Milan, it's seriously interested in signing Sambi Lukonga in the summer. Arsenal need to get this deal done quickly. Arsenal fans, let me know in the comments, would you take Sambi Lukonga at Arsenal for 20 million euros next season? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment section below. If you guys are new around here, make sure to drop a like, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys later. Come on, you Gunners. Peace.